Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing a declutter and organize of our super messy basement. So here's just a clip of how it looks before, and then there'll be some clips of us during the process, and then I of course will show you the after. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and let me know if you'd like to see more videos just like this. Bye!
I sat there waiting for you to change. Then I realized you're not the one for me. I wanted space, you wanted trouble. You hurt me once, the pain was double. Though you were more than just a hit and run, I should have known that you were not the one. You broke my heart to a million pieces. I've dried my tears, but I want you to know I'm not the one that you thought you needed. I faced my fears and you're not the one. I still remember those things you did. Yeah, they still linger, still hurt a bit. Might hurt forever, yeah, that's what they say. But I know I'll never will face that day. I wanted space, you wanted trouble. You hurt me once, the pain was double. Though you were more than just a hit and run, I should have known that you were not the one. You broke my heart to a million pieces. I've dried my tears, but I want you to know I'm not the one that you thought you needed. I faced my fears and you're not the closure to recover. What I do now, I wish I knew back then. But I was younger, didn't know love when you broke my heart to a million pieces. I've dried my tears, but I want you to know I'm not the one that you thought you needed. I faced my fears and you're not the one. Biding my time, I hope that it ain't so. Facing the truth, the eye of the needle. And even if we're not solving this riddle, there's no taking back all the deeds that we've done. There's a lot that we did wrong, looking back on all of the shit we've done. I cannot believe that it's been so long, that we're in the eye of the needle. When you don't like or love me, I breathe it all out and I breathe in. When there is no way back in, and we are the eye of the needle. I breathe it all out and I breathe in. We are the eye of the needle. I'm biding my time, I know the way this goes. I try to stand tall with nothing to lean on. all quiet and still, an echo that goes on. And I'm not taking back all the deeds that I've done. There's a lot that we did wrong, looking back on all of the shit we've done. I cannot believe that it's been so long, that we're in the eye of the needle. When you don't like or love me, I breathe it all out, then I breathe in. When there is no way back in, and we are the eye of the needle. I breathe it all out, then I breathe in. We are the eye of the needle. Then I breathe in. We are the eye of the needle. Just breathe it out, then breathe in. When we're in the eye of the needle. So breathe it all out, then breathe in. We're in the eye of the needle. When you don't like or love me, then I'll face the eye of the needle. I breathe it all out, then I breathe in. We're the eye of the needle. We are the eye of the needle. Then I breathe in. Breathe it all out. We are the eye of the needle. Get up and let's face it. No need to erase it, 'cause memories make you strong. Breathe in and get going. Breathe out and stop moaning. You gotta get out and try. 'Cause when you lose, you learn the bumps along the way, but you'll never run out of trying. And when you lose, you learn that letting go of love will make you a better man. 'Cause life goes on for the lovers. Yeah, life goes on. It goes on. Yeah, life goes on. If you live it, yeah, life goes on. It goes on. Yeah, life goes on. I know that it's hurting, but I know it's worth it to give it another shot. Through mess ups you're learning that life keeps on turning, so keep on spinning those wheels. 'Cause when you lose, you learn the bumps along the way, and you'll never run out of the ride. And when you lose, you learn that letting go of love will make you a better man. 'Cause life goes on for the lovers. Yeah, life goes on. It goes on. Yeah, life goes on. If you live it, yeah, life goes on. It goes on. Yeah, life goes on. For the lovers, yeah, life goes on. It goes on. Yeah, life goes on. If you live it, yeah, life goes on. It goes on. Yeah, life goes on.
right, we are done. That was a few hours. That was, oh my gosh, I think it took like 5 hours. I'm exhausted. So as you guys can tell, we don't have a finished basement. It's not a big deal. But we tried to get this as clean as possible, so I'll kind of take you guys around and explain it a little bit. So we do have a garage, but it's detached, so we do like to keep some of this kind of stuff inside the house. One, because our garage isn't heated, so we can't keep like paint and stuff out there. But also Kenny is a painter, that's his job, so he just likes to keep his like paintbrushes and all his paint trays and everything inside the house, just so it's easier when he's getting ready for a job. He can come down here and grab what he needs. There's his like drop cloths and whatever now. So that's all that stuff. His like, oh, I'm out of breath. So his like work boots, this is for like mixing drywall stuff or concrete or whatever. Same, all the paint trays, paint, like, what are those called? Like the rollers and whatnot, paint brushes and all that kind of stuff. This is his workbench. We're actually gonna go and get like the peg thing so he can hang up some of his tools there. And then again, his stuff there, there's like an old lunch bag that he has to decide what he wants to do with, but so it looks way better than it did before. Over here is a sink for when we redo our kitchen. We already have the sink. We were actually gifted that by Kenny's work. Our air conditioners and fans for upstairs. We do have air conditioning, but for some reason in our bedroom it doesn't work well, so we just have this like portable air conditioner for when it's really hot. And then we have all this storage. So like I've told you guys before, we had to take apart our like, what, I don't know what you want to call it, like our office, I guess, to make Colton's bedroom. So some of that came from there, but I'll kind of explain it. So we have like our paint for like touch-ups and whatnot are back there, and some more like tools and stuff, like electrical stuff, so because we don't want it to get like wet outside. Or like damp in the garage, I mean. This is just some more hardware and stuff, and then a couple old baseball gloves. Same with all this stuff. There's a lot of Kenny's stuff, so he has like electrical stuff and plumbing stuff. This is like his boxing stuff. This is a carving that his grandfather made, and so we need to do something with it, but we don't really have anywhere upstairs right now that's large enough to hold it, so we just have it down here for now. This is some extra wood and stuff for like trim in case anything ever gets ruined of the trim that's upstairs. This can be replaced because it's like the original stuff instead of like the new looking stuff. And this is a little rocking horse that we were given by our neighbor after Colton was born. And then all these boxes and totes are like movies and DVDs and stuff that either we're gonna keep or sell or give away, whatever. And then some board games. Oh, and this is an old VHS player that we are holding on to because you never know when you're gonna need that. Here is like a lot of my baby stuff and like stuff from when I was a kid and when I was a dancer. A lot of my stuff is in there. Halloween stuff. I don't know what these are. Oh, more DVDs and stuff that we have to decide what we want to do with. And then again, more Halloween stuff. And then this whole section is Christmas, except for this is Halloween. Because if you guys don't know, we do a Harry Potter Halloween theme, so we have like old looking trunks and luggage so that it looks like they're going to Hogwarts. But this is all our Halloween stuff. I actually went through this before we brought it all back down after Christmas. And I think I said, did I say Christmas or Halloween? Whatever. So this is all our Christmas stuff. So it's all there in totes and all organized. So then this is still kind of a mess, but a little bit better than it was. This is all furniture, and like you guys know, we had to take down our dining room set because we're turning our dining room into a playroom. So that is down here until we decide if we are keeping it or if we move and we need it, whatnot, or we'll just sell it. The filing cabinet will go up in my closet, which we are turning into a office. The old trunk that I was talking about from Halloween, this is Halloween, I think, or Christmas. Let's see, Christmas. And then this whole section here is actually a bed from IKEA. It was my bed when I lived at my parents' house, but I only had it for like maybe 6 months, and then we actually bought this house and like moved, Kenny and I. So we did have it up in our spare room for a little while, and then when we converted that to Colton's bedroom, we took it down. So we are going to hold on to it for when he goes into like an actual kid's bed. We're just gonna use this until he's older and wants, you know, his own bed, or maybe he'll want bunk beds or something, but we have a brand new bed there, so he will be able to use that. So then over here we just have our cat litter over here. This is gonna have a few more things on it. This is all totes of stuff that was either in my closet or in my office, and it's all stuff that is gonna go back up there once that becomes an office. And there's a few more things that will go on there until we have the time to do that room, because it's going to be a little bit of work because we have to rip out all that office stuff, or all the closet stuff. So that will stay there just for now, and then we'll utilize that for something else. But that is the basement now. Oh, and I didn't talk about this. This is actually a really cool table that Kenny's grandfather made. He was like a woodworker, like as you saw, he made that. And he made this table. So we have this that will go somewhere someday too, and it's really cool. The legs are really neat. So I'm excited to have a spot to put that someday. And then this carpet or rug or whatever is from IKEA from like a long time ago. I probably had this for like 15 years. It was in my bedroom at home, and now we just have it down here just so that it doesn't look as gross down here, because the floor is just concrete. So that is our basement now. Hopefully someday we can have it a little bit nicer and not have all this junk here, but that is it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next. Bye!